Hello students, today I am here with the video which will tell you about the website development process. When developing, there is a cycle that takes place which generally matches the usual cycle within software development. So this development process cycle is having different phases. So let's start with the first phase which is requirements. It is important to make sure you understand what you are being asked to do before you start. This can be seen from the point of view of both graphic design and functionality. The best idea is to make at least some sketches at the start to play with ideas, then see if you can work out which page should link to each other. Second is design. The design stage tries to provide a solution to match the requirements. It should also take into account what is possible with the various technologies that are available. Next is write the code. So this is the point where you start writing your code with HTML, CSS, PHP, etc. After the code writing, you have to test your design and coding, and you want to see what it looks like. After that, this stage, upload stage, is a stage when you want to upload your pages for public viewing. And the last one, it is basically the next stage. It is not so much a stage as an instruction to do the above again until you have got it right and it works without bugs. Next is, if you want to become a web developer, then what are the languages and platform which at least you should know to successful development of a website? First is your HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML can be considered as the main language of the web in some respects. Because its simplicity, all browsers understands it. It is used to develop static pages, that is, ones that do not change depending on users' input or interaction. Next is CSS, that is Cascading Style Sheet. CSS allows you to enhance your web pages in a way that HTML on its own never could, and to keep a logically structured document in the process. It enables the designer to separate presentation and formatting from content. It looks at the simple structure and syntax used and the basic method that enables the style created to be linked to pages. Now, HTML and CSS concentrates on a static rendering of a page. Things do not change on the page over time or because of events. To do these things, we use scripting language which allow contents to change dynamically. And JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. Scripts are nothing but a programs, just like other programming language, they can execute on the client side or the server side. Next is PHP or Java. So PHP basically is a hypertext preprocessor. It is a server-side scripting language. That is, it is combined with HTML either by embedding it within a web document or by using it as a file that is processed alongside it, but on the server side. And next is a database. Along with all these languages and platforms, you should know one of the databases, and just like MySQL is one of the database which is used to manage your data. So thank you for watching this video, and we will share more videos with you in which I'm going to tell you or teach you the languages called HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and some knowledge of database as well.